Today I'm going to show you a simple, quick, and absolutely delicious recipe, perfect for a hearty breakfast. Let's start by taking a baguette and slicing it into rounds. Try to keep the slices at a medium thickness, not too thin so they don't break, and not too thick so they won't stay raw inside. By the way, toasted bread in a skillet has an aroma that fills the entire house, doesn't it? Now let's move on to the skillet. Grease it with a generous drizzle of olive oil and a bit of butter. This combination makes all the difference. The olive oil helps prevent burning, while the butter brings an irresistible flavor and a beautiful golden color. As soon as the butter begins to melt and form that light foam, place the bread slices in the skillet. Arrange them side by side and let them brown slowly. No rushing here. The secret is cooking over medium-low heat to create that crispy crust on the outside while keeping the inside soft. This is the perfect moment for the kitchen to start smelling amazing. Honestly, is there anything better? While the slices are browning, tell me something. Have you ever made a similar recipe, or is this new to you? Look at that color. Once one side is golden, flip them to brown the other side. This takes about a minute. So take the opportunity to send this video to someone who loves cheesy bread. They'll thank you. Now, while the bread finishes browning, let's prepare the mixture that will transform this recipe into something even more special. Grab a bowl and add 4 eggs. Season with black pepper. Add salt to taste. A touch of oregano to bring that classic aroma that pairs perfectly with bread and cheese. Finish with paprika, which not only adds a light smoky flavor, but also gives everything a gorgeous color. Mix well until you get a smooth, homogeneous mixture. Tell me, do you prefer your eggs well seasoned or something milder? With the bread nicely golden, pour this mixture directly into the skillet, spreading it well so it reaches all the slices. Cover the skillet and let it cook. This step is important because the steam helps cook the inside, leaving everything soft and perfectly done. Once the bottom is firm, it's time to flip it. Carefully use a plate to help. Place the plate over the skillet, flip it in one motion. Then slide everything back into the skillet to brown the other side. Look at that! It already looks like a restaurant-style dish. Top it with plenty of mozzarella. Don't hold back. There's no such thing as too much cheese. Next, add tomato slices on top. Besides adding freshness, the tomato balances perfectly with the melted cheese. Finish with a little more oregano to enhance the aroma even further. Cover the skillet again and let it sit for a few moments until the cheese is completely melted. And tell me, is there a more beautiful sight than melting cheese? Just look at it, golden underneath, generously filled on top with that stretchy cheese. Simply irresistible. This is one of those recipes that looks elaborate but is ready in just a few minutes. Perfect for surprising someone or treating yourself to something delicious. Would you make this recipe? Would you change any ingredients? I really want to hear your opinion. So start by telling me here in the comments.